Hello, I'd like to share with you my process of painting the first layer of this portrait. Notice how my brush moves all over the canvas. I don't just finish one part and then move on to another. I paint across the entire piece. Also, notice how I mix the paint. Every color flows from a common mixture, which is how I create harmony in my painting. In the first layer, my goal is to capture the major relationships of value, color, edges, and textures. It is in the second layer that I'll start focusing on refining those relationships, dividing larger planes into smaller ones, bringing in more color. I hope this video gives you insight to my process. Thank you so much.